I've already seen myself as a boy.
People are preoccupied with genitalia.
How did you make that? How make your boobs big? How did you make that beautiful face?
Hi, my name is Van, and I'm a trans man.
I'm Chase, and I'm a transgender man.
I'm Angel, and I consider myself as a transgender woman.
My name is Jory, and I identify as transgender.
How did you know that you are a transgender person?
When I was in high school, I feel that there is femininity in me.
I always felt that I was a boy ever since I was 7 years old.
I moved to working in BPO company. A lot of transgender women are actually working there, and I was motivated to really show who I am really.
I didn't exactly know the right term, but as early as 4 to 5 years old, I already felt that I've already seen myself as a boy.
What pronouns should one use to identify transgender people?
Dressing up like a woman, the pronoun should actually needs to be used is her instead of his, or let's say ma'am instead of sir.
I should say her.
Generally, for trans men, he and him.
The best way to know is to ask a person what their personal pronouns are. But if asking people what their pronouns are is awkward, then what you can do is you refer to them based on their gender expression. So if their gender expression is masculine, then he, him pronouns. But you can also refer to them with they, them pronouns, which are neutral. Or as a last resort, you can use their name to address them.
How did you know about transitioning?
I discovered details about transitioning through YouTube.
Na ako'y nakaila, I asked her, how did you make that? How make your boobs big? How did you make that beautiful face? So she was really kind to introduce to me the hormonal treatment.
I went on Facebook and tried looking for groups, but at the same time, while I was on the internet, I also looked up YouTube, and that's where I came across so many trans man YouTubers, and they all talked about transitioning, and that's how I learned about transitioning.
What does it mean to be a transgender person?
A transgender person is someone who identifies with a gender other than their sex assigned at birth.
A transgender person is a person who went through a process in changing its gender, let's say from a male to a female, or from a female to male.
How did you transition?
So 13 years ago, I first decided to cut my hair, and it was a very euphoric feeling to look more like the person that I felt I was. And then later, I started asking people to call me by the name Chase, and also to use he, him pronouns when addressing me. And it all, took off from there.
Honestly, it was difficult, at the same time easy in my part because I have my loving family. They are very supportive, and even they don't ask who I am or what I am. They just let me do whatever I want because they believe that I have good disposition in life.
I've already worn boys' clothes back in high school. Only in high school because that's when I was able to save my allowance to actually buy clothes for boys. Because every time I would have my family buy clothes for me, they would definitely buy me girls' clothes and I would never wear them. So that was the first part, physically transitioning. And later on, when I was able to work and save up enough to start my medical transition. And when we finally found an endocrinologist who could monitor our transition, that's when I was able to decide that I could start my medical transition.
What is the best part about transitioning?
Well, the best part was finally seeing myself in the mirror and seeing myself in the mirror.
Being able to see like a version of myself that felt more like the real me. It was one of the best decisions of my life, and I chose to be happy.
The best part is embracing your life, embracing who you really are. And that's something that I want to encourage everyone to really show who you really are, because at the end of the day, it's your own decision. It's really a life-changing situation.
The best part of transitioning, for me personally, is you're able to discover a lot of things. It's not about your personal views, but it's also about the views of the society towards you.
What is the hardest part about being a trans person?
I should say would be the medical processes.
The hardest part is actually my own father was not able to accept me fully of who I am until I passed the board exam. That was the span of time na disajud siya.
Probably how people who don't know much or understand you, how they react. I guess that's the hardest part.
I think the hardest part about transitioning for many trans people is rejection. Rejection from family or friends who don't accept you as you are.
Is there an appropriate age to transition?
There is no specific age in which a person should transition, but there is an appropriate time.
Transitioning is actually a personal decision. There's no appropriate age. If you think you can make that change for yourself at an early age, then do it.
You can transition as early as how young you are, but medically, on the other hand, so I leave that to the medical professionals.
Basically, the time when you have fully acknowledged and accept who you really are, I guess that's the best time for you to really transition.
Is surgery necessary to be a trans person?
I think one of the most common misconceptions is that to be transgender, you need to have had surgeries, but you don't.
Surgery is enhancement. And if that person would love to enhance himself or herself, then he should or she should go for it. But if she's contented, then let's respect her.
No, surgery and hormones are not necessary for trans people.
What is dating like for trans people?
Challenging. Challenging in a way that the stereotyping is still there, the overgeneralizing is still there.
Dating, for us, dating someone is very natural. No difference, to be honest.
You know what? Honestly, I've only been with the same girl pre-transition and during transition, so I don't have much experience dating.
Personally, I find dating hard because people are preoccupied with genitalia.
When dating, do you tell your partner that you are trans?
Honestly, I put it in my bio profile because I'm proud.
So if I date a person, I don't tell them I'm trans on the first date. And the reason for that is because if you tell them from the get-go, they either don't go on a date with you because for them, like, oh, trans, no, it's an automatic no. So they don't even try to get to know you. Or they're curious about you as a trans person, but not curious about you in the sense that they want to get to know you more because they want to date you. So you become a curiosity.
How do you deal with intolerance or discrimination?
It depends really. Like if I know that the person just lacks more, just has an incorrect understanding towards us, then I would educate them. But if I know that the person really cannot be changed, like their minds cannot be changed or anything at all, like I just ignore them.
Actually, because of anger management that I've learned in my workplace, and they have their own point of view specifically for LGBTIQ++, and I respect those. I respect their point of their views about the LGBTQI++. So it's more on understanding, really. I guess that's the key.
I call it out because if you call it out, make the person aware that it's wrong. Because if you don't call it out, it's like you're allowing it to happen, no? And they think it's okay to keep doing it.
What do you dislike about the community?
A lot of internal fighting, maybe.
Jealousy?
They discriminate each other.
The division.
What do you love about the community?
I love how we're able to actually build a family with them.
We're very creative. We bring color to everyone's life.
Celebrative.
I think what I love about the community is how diverse it is and how inclusive it is.
What is the difference between acceptance and tolerance?
Tolerance is just you are okay that the person is there, but you don't fully support that you don't fully agree that they should have rights. So definitely I am advocating for acceptance.
I am actually pushing for LGBTQI++ acceptance.
Acceptance is way more than tolerance. Tolerance says that, okay, LGBT people can exist, but don't try to push for rights. But if you accept LGBT people and trans people, you're saying that I believe that you as a person should enjoy the same rights that I do. I advocate for acceptance.